Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make my favorite sweet fire chicken. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed all in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. Okay, so we're going to begin by prepping our chicken. Here I already have my 2 pounds of chicken breast cut into small size pieces. Just going to set it to the side. We're going to grab our egg and beat it. Okay, so once we beat our egg, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Just going to mix it. Mix it for about 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, so once we have our egg mixture, we're going to pour it over our chicken. Okay, just mix it. Make sure that the chicken gets nice and coated. Okay, so we're just going to allow it to sit there while we work on the rest of our ingredients. Okay, to make our coating, we're going to be mixing 3/4 of a cup of cornstarch with 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Just mix it, okay, and just set it to the side until it's time to use it. Okay, to make our sauce, we're going to be mixing 1/2 cup of water or pineapple juice, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of chili paste, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger, 2 minced garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, and a pinch of salt. So begin to mix it all together. And here you can taste it and see if you want your sauce to be more sweeter, add more sugar, or if you want it to be more spicy, add more chili paste. For me, this is always perfect. So now we're just going to add our slurry, and that's just 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of water. Mix it. And we're just going to set it to the side until it's time to use it. All right, so once we have everything ready, now we can heat up our oil. Okay, so I'm just going to cover my wok with 1 inch of oil. We're going to set it on high heat and allow it to heat up. And while we wait for our oil, we're going to begin to coat our chicken. So just grab it in there, throw it into the mixture, remove the excess. Okay, once our oil is nice and hot, we're going to throw in our chicken. And we're just going to fry it until it's nice and golden, or for about 4 minutes. Okay, and after 4 minutes, our chicken should be fully cooked. Of course, make sure that you check it. It should be nice and crispy. We're going to remove it from the oil. Okay, remove as much oil as possible. And we're just going to continue cooking the rest of our chicken. Okay, so once we have fried all of our chicken, I'm going to be using the same wok, so I'm just going to carefully remove all of this oil. Once our wok is nice and clean, we're going to add a little bit of oil. To that, we're going to add 20 ounces of pineapple chunks, 1 large red bell pepper, and 1 onion. We're just going to give it a couple minutes. After 3 minutes, we're going to add our sauce. Make sure you mix it. We're going to add it and just allow it to thicken up. So as soon as it comes to a simmer, the sauce will thicken up. Okay, and just like that, as you see, the sauce has thickened up. So I'm just going to turn it off, add the chicken, and just mix it all in. Okay, and just like that, we have our delicious sweet fire chicken. So now we can get ready to serve. Alright guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make, and of course, it's honestly the best. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. This is honestly my favorite, and now I get to make it at home and everybody enjoys it. So cheers and enjoy. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it. I have made my super easy and delicious sweet fire chicken. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.